morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 14th chapter statistics exercise 14.3. In the previous class I have completed 14.2. Now this one is calculating mean. So first sum we are asked to calculate mean, median and mode. Okay. So the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the mean, median and mode. So in the previous two exercises we calculated arithmetic mean and mode. So in this exercise we will be calculating median also. So all the three for this sum we need to calculate. Okay. So first one is we will calculate arithmetic mean using step deviation method we will do. Okay. So this is first one is monthly consumption. So first we will take xi. So xi is the mid value as you know already. So 65 plus 85 is 150. So by 2 is 75. Okay. So here we will get it like this: 75, 95, 115, then 135, then 155, 175 and 195. So this is xi value. Now calculating step deviation method formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So we need to know ui. So ui is equal to xi minus a by h. So this is how we need to calculate ui. First one is xi is 75. 75 minus 135 is minus 60. Minus 60 by 20 will be minus 3. So like this we will be getting minus 2, minus 1, 0, here 1, 2 and then 3. That is 195 minus 135 will be 60 here. So 60 by 20 is 3. Same way here also we will get. Okay. So the same procedure only. So we got ui value. So now next column will be fi and ui. Fi and ui here. So this is number of customers is fi. So this column and this one to be multiplied. So 4 3s are 12 minus 12. 5 2s are 10 minus 10 minus 13 then 0 14 16 12. So we'll add all these things. So here in this plus 12 minus 12 will get cancelled. So this will be 30 and this will be 23 minus 23. So we'll get 7 here. When we find the value of the sigma fi ui value is 7 here. Plus 7 only we will get. So now we got all the values and substituted. So A is 135 plus sigma fi ui we got it as 7 by sigma fi is number of customers. That in the question itself it is given as 68 into h is 20. Okay. So when we simplify this 135 plus, so this one when we simplify 140. 140 by 68 we get. So this one when we simplify 140 by 68 in two table when we simplify it will be 70 by 34. 70 by 34 will get. Again when we simplify 35 by 70. Okay. So when we simplify this we will get this value as 135 plus 2.07. When we simplify this, we will get it as 2.07. So, arithmetic mean is 137.07. So, this is the arithmetic mean for the given information. Okay. Then, calculating mode. So, next thing, we will calculate mode here. So, for calculating mode, the formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So if we know the formula and this information, we will substitute it. That's all. So L is the lower limit. First we will calculate the modal class. So the maximum frequency here is 20 only. 20 is the maximum frequency. So the modal class for this data is 125 to 145. 125 to 145 is the modal class. So lower limit is 125, H is 20 and F1 is the frequency that we got. Okay, that is 20. Then F0 is 13. Then F2 is 14. This is F2. So now we will substitute it in the formula. So mode is equal to L is the lower limit 125 plus F1 minus F0. So F1 is 20 minus 13 divided by 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14. Okay, 13 and 14 into 20. So this is equal to 125 plus the numerator it will be 7 divided by 40. 2 into 20 is 40. 40 minus 27. Minus 27. We'll get it as 13 here. Okay, divided by 13 into 20. So this is equal to 125 plus 140 divided by 13. So 140 divided by 13 is 13. 1 time 13 here. So 10. So 10 times 0, that is 0 in the numerator, 100. Then this will be, then 8 times 104 we are getting. So 7 times 10.7. So this is 125 plus 10.7 we are getting. So when we add this 135.7 we are getting. So this is the mode for the given data. Okay. So arithmetic mean we got it as 137.07 and mode is 135.7. Okay. So now two things we calculated. Then one more thing we need to calculate is median. Okay. So for calculating median, we need to know the cumulative frequency of the given distribution. So I will write the distribution alone here. 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, then 125 to 155, then 125 to, 125 to 145, then 145 to 165, then 165 to 185, then 185 to 205. This is the class interval. Okay. Now, frequency given for this is, so this is Ci and frequency given for this distribution is 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and then 4. So, for calculating median, the formula for calculating median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus Cf by F into H. This is the formula. Okay. So this is Cf. Cf is the cumulative frequency. So we should know cumulative frequency for this distribution. So the calculating cumulative frequency is, first one we will write the frequency as it is. Then next cumulative frequency is, cumulative means we need to add it, that's all together. So 5 plus 4, 9. Then 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. 42 plus 14 is 56. 56 plus 8 is 64. 64 plus 4 is 68. Here in the question it is given 68 customers. So final cumulative frequency we need to get it as 68. Okay. So now N is number of frequency, it is 68. So N by 2 is 34. So here we need to substitute N by 2. So that N by 2 is 34. Okay. Then how to find out the median class here is. Okay. So the median class here is the next highest frequency of this 34 in the cumulative frequency column. Here we got N by 2 as 34. So the next highest cumulative frequency of 34 is 42. So that will be the frequency and that will be the median class. That will be the median class. So median class is 125 to 145. Then frequency 145. Then frequency is 20 and cumulative frequency is the frequency of the preceding class. That is the previous class, not this. We should not take this one. We should take that cumulative frequency only for calculating median class. Okay. CF, we have a value to substitute here. That CF is cumulative frequency of the preceding class. That is the previous cumulative frequency. We got it as 22. So now we got all the values to substitute it in the formula. H we know already that it is 20. So this is equal to lower limit. Lower limit of this is 125 plus n by 2 is 34 minus cumulative frequency is 22 by frequency is 20 into height is also 20. Okay. So this is equal to 125. So this 20 will get cancelled here. Plus 34 minus 22 is 12. So this is equal to 137. So 137 is the median for the given information. Is the median. Median is 137. So we got mean, median and mode. So arithmetic mean is 137.07. Mode is 135.7 and median is 137. Okay. Thank you.